So I have some packages here. Good morning. It's actually 8:20 thereabouts, and we are filming Spend a Day with Me. Okay, I just woke up. My day is packed, but still I didn't wake up early. That's because I didn't sleep early. Yeah, ever since I don't have a job. I don't have a 9 to 6. I don't sleep early, I don't wake up early. And of course I'm starting a business. I just started a business, so I don't know, spend a day with me as an unemployed body starting up a business, something like that. So I just started a jewelry business, and then yeah, I think for a week now, and it's actually moving. Yeah, quite fast. I didn't expect it that way. So yeah, today I have a lot to do. Like I'm doing laundry, cooking. I'll get my nails fixed because, and I'll be packing. I'm going to Sinane. It's a whole lot. I'm meeting someone for a package. I'm doing deliveries and packaging. It's a whole lot. So let's see how the day goes. I'm hoping I'll be able to do all of that. I actually have to pick some packages for someone. Yeah, but I just confirmed, and I don't think I'll get that today. So yeah, let's see how the day goes. So I'll probably the laundry, maybe cook before I go out. So stay tuned. Hello guys, so my day has almost ended here, and I was able to do a lot of the things I had to do. I got back like maybe an hour ago. I had to shoot some products to post. That's my business here. So if you don't know, I sell these things. So I did some. And oh, my nails. Ooh, ooh, my nails. It's down. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it's my first time trying this stiletto and I love it. Yeah, so yeah, I'm done with the shooting, but then this was the last piece and I think I like this, so I'm keeping this. And also I come bearing two news. I don't know which one you want to hear. I have a good news and the bad news. So I'll start with the bad news. The bad news is I lost my SIM card. Okay, it's actually SIM card for my business, for the business I just started. I got it like a week ago and I always keep it at the back of my phone, the cover, the back of the cover. I don't know what happened. Someone sent me money for a product here, so I wanted to take the SIM, just insert the SIM on the phone to check the notification, because the phone is not, the SIM is not on the phone right now, and only for me to find out that the SIM is not there. I don't know where I have placed it, so I'll have to get the SIM tomorrow. I'll have to go to MTN to get the SIM. I almost lost my mind here because I have money on it. There is money on it. And also the good news, okay, so I have some packages here. That's the good news. I should be crying right now, but I think this will just, let's get into it. I'll go with this first. Ooh. You know what? At a point, and let me show you. So this gift from, you don't want to know. And also, let's get, these are two beautiful cakes and I love the colors, especially this one. I love the colors. You will see me soon. Yeah. And also we will get into this. I don't know, I actually have an idea, but you don't want to know what's in this. I actually know, so we are not doing that here. Let me relax a bit. I think I need to pull it off. I put some pep up in my step and then I do it up. I try my cutlery and hit my cooler up. Come on. They smell good. Yeah, they smell good already. Oh my god. Oh. Tell a bitch who why. Tell a bitch who why. Okay, so this and it's actually two summer collection twilight. No, I'm not taking. No, it's probably a perfume. Oh, okay. So I'm using this electronic toothbrush, but then I lost all the this time. So I asked for some. I didn't get some here, so. And this. I'm not really sure. Okay. These are not mine. So I can't show you. I'm supposed to give them to them. So basically, this is why I'm actually happy I'm not thinking about my SIM card right now. So yeah, this actually ends my day. I'm going to get a shower and eat something. It's actually like 8 p.m. So this is how we end this video. But do well to watch my other videos, and if you are yet to subscribe, kindly do so. It's fun over here, baby. So kindly do well to subscribe. I'll meet you in my next video, but before that you can watch the other videos as well. Watch to the end, okay?